Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with Tarachi Gold, Skeena Resources, GCM Mining, Alpha Lithium and Summa Silver. Tarachi Gold announced the signing of a new 30-year land lease, water rights and tailings purchase agreements with the local community of Magistral Ejito. But the company's Magistral Gold tailings project in Mexico is also moving forward with financing efforts to start production. We see production starting as early as next year, and we think Tarachi Gold has a lot of potential. Skeena Resources was able to obtain 30.4 million Canadian dollars held by Barrick Gold through the exercise of warrants. The proceeds will fund 60,000 meters of exploration drilling planned for SK Creek in 2022. They also signed a binding agreement with Quest X Gold and Copper, whereby Skeena will acquire all of the issued and outstanding shares of Quest X pursuant to a plan of arrangement in exchange for shares and cash. The consideration will consist of 65 Canadian cents in cash and 0.0367 of a common share in the capital of Skeena for each Quest X common share, for total consideration of approximately 48.6 million Canadian dollars or approximately 1 Canadian dollar and 20 cents per Quest X share, based on Skeena's 5-day TSX VWAP ending 29 March 2022. Concurrently, they signed a binding agreement with Newmont to sell certain Quest X properties to Newmont under a purchase agreement for approximately 27 million Canadian dollars upon completion of the Quest X transaction. The cash proceeds from the Newmont transaction are expected to be sufficient to cover the cash portion of the total arrangement consideration payable by Skeena. The net cost of the arrangement will be satisfied by the issuance of approximately 15 million Canadian dollars worth of Skeena shares. Skeena will also assume Quest X outstanding options and warrants. Great deal for Skeena and a 7-fold increase in land holdings. Nice and well done. GCM Mining announced updated mineral resource and mineral reserve estimates for its Segovia operation. Total measured and indicated resources increased to 4.6 million tons, grading 11 gram gold per ton for a total of 1.62 million ounces gold and a 14% increase. Total inferred resources increased to 4.6 million tons, grading 11.6 grams gold per ton for a total of 1.7 million ounces gold and a 41% increase. GCM has thus more than replaced the 2021 resources mined, and it is the 6th consecutive year in which it has replaced at least the mineral resources mined at Segovia. El Silencio and Sandra K were the main areas of growth within the 2021 estimate. The Brownfield Exploration Program, which focused on exploration for new resources at brownfield exploration targets on the 24 veins within the Segovia mining title that are not currently in production, brought the first addition to the 2021 estimate with the inferred resources reported for the Vera project. The company pays a monthly dividend of 1.5 Canadian cents, which equates to approximately 3.4% annual yield. GCM Mining, you really should consider for your portfolio. Nice dividend payer. Alpha Lithium, through its wholly owned Argentine subsidiary, acquired the right to 2 mining properties totaling 3,800 hectares in the well-known Salar del Hombre Muerto in Argentina. After 2 previous acquisitions in the same salar, Alpha now controls a 100% interest in 5,072 hectares in the Salar del Hombre Muerto and is the 2nd largest landowner after Korea's POSCO on the Salta side of this famous salar. Alpha's entire 5,072 hectares are immediately adjacent to Korean giant POSCO, which announced last week that it will invest $4 billion in Hombre Muerto instead of the $830 million investment originally planned. This came after a drilling campaign boosted the estimated lithium carbonate equivalent to 13.5 million tons, a 6-fold increase from original estimates when the company acquired the property in 2018. Alpha looks great. Summa Silver issued a total of 27,400 common shares pursuant to 2 previously executed, amended and restated mining leases. The common shares will be issued at a deemed value at $1.24 per common share, which is the 20-day volume-weighted average price of the company's shares traded on the TSX Venture. These payments represent the first of 10 annual payments due under the amended leases relating to mining claims that are part of the Mogollon property near Silver City in New Mexico. This represents a massive increase in the size of the claims, and we believe Summa Silver has decent upside potential. Please watch the disclaimer shown now. All shares are or might become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. I'm a shareholder in all companies. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.